the product at a low price, you make the offering attractive than your competitors, and at the same time you give additional benefits and incentives to your customer to use the product. Therefore, when you think in terms of entering into an old market, it is not that difficult. Just imagine you are getting into an old product with a new product. In that case, you have to create a product. You have to develop a product. Therefore, here there are four approaches with which you can understand: market development, product development, product development, diversification, and penetration are the four basic strategies that are used. Penetration means getting into a product through attractive offers. Shall we go for that? Product development means through innovation, research and development, creating a new product and entering with a new product. Penetration, already I mentioned. Market development means getting into a new area where people don't know about your product and don't have the habit of using your product, and create desire in them through advertisements, promotions, and making them to use the product by inculcating a habit of using your product. That is called market development. Product development, market development, penetration. Fourth one is diversification. Diversification means based on the requirement of the market, you have to come out with a new product through research and development. If there are 10 different markets that you have chosen, for 10 markets you have to come out with different types of products. One for the rich, one for the poor, one for the domestic, one for the international, one for young, one for old. This is what diversification marketing strategy. It can be product diversification or market diversification. Next to this, the fourth step is to develop budgets related to marketing, finance, and production. Budgets, financial budgets, deciding the revenue, expenditure, investment requirements, cost and the finance related decisions. Marketing budget depends on deciding the target market, setting the quota for sales, targeting the future sales, etc. Production is concerned with preparing for the creation of the product by arranging for the raw material, equipments, and other infrastructure. And the fifth one is formulation and recovery strategies, means controlling and follow-up of the activities that you are doing. This is the process of going for strategic marketing. As I mentioned, every company will have different types of goals, but for strategic marketing managers, the most important goals are connected with production goals, marketing goals, and the finance goals. As I mentioned, the marketing goals are market share, achieving a market share, achieving marketing productivity, increasing the sales volume, achieving a specific percentage of profit, and more than anything, achieving customer satisfaction and creating customer value. These are the issues that you need to remember. Followed by this, as I was mentioning, developing marketing strategy is not an easy joke, because the success or survival of any organization depends on the effectiveness of the strategies that you are using. There is a popular saying, whether it is in battle or business, the seeds of success comes through your strategies. Strategy is something that determines the fate of an organization. You can recall the word strategy is derived from military. In a military setup, strategy means the task of the general manager, the general commander. The general commander has to synchronize the functions, activities, resources, skills, the entire things available on his hand towards achieving one specific objectives. It's not an easy joke. Strategy formulation calls for experience, exposure, data. Particularly today, all decisions depends on your ability to get the latest information about the market environment where you are operating. Therefore, making strategic decisions in marketing is a very complex one because it involves 5 most important dimensions. Quickly I will mention them. The most important dimensions of strategic marketing decisions are, first one is, there will be multiple decision makers. Though you want to take a decision, your decisions are influenced by n number of people in the organization. Production, R&D, HR, stores, purchase, logistics, finance and accounting, security people, everybody participates in marketing, so that unless you take consensus of everybody, make every one of them to be with you, you cannot achieve this target. And another important thing is, marketing is totally dependent on interaction. It is not something like what you know that you can do. It leads to interaction. The company will get to know to the public through your marketing only. People will identify you through your marketing only, so that the moment you go out through your communication, let it be in the form of advertising, publicity, whatever it is, people will react to that. For one action of yours, there can be n number of reactions that you have to tolerate. That is the speciality of marketing. One more important factor that you need to remember is, there will be multiple factors that influences your decision. In your market environment, you might have studied about n number of factors that influence marketing decisions. At a time, it is the socio-economic, political, cultural, global factors that influences your marketing and the survival of your company. Everything on the earth will have an impact on the marketing decisions one way or the other. But you have to identify which are the most important one, and based on that you have to arrive at a decision. The next important thing is the global factors. Marketing or business is not done in isolation. We are all globally connected. Whatever you do, that will have an impact. You are experiencing the situation through the COVID-19, that we are an entity in the global environment. Whatever that affects somebody on the earth will definitely impacts us. The fifth factor that you need to remember is time frame. Everything that you have to do within a time frame. Even for me, there is a time limit. I have to talk to you with everything that I know within the time frame. You have to achieve the targets within the given time, 1 year, 3 year, or 1 month, because time is very short. Whatever you think that will become redundant, outdated tomorrow, your competitors will be waiting for you. This is the nature of the corporate strategies. The next thing that I wanted to talk to you, make a note.